transmitted at the request of the Texas Department of Public Safety. The Wilmer Police Department is searching for Gislyn Mendez, Hispanic female, 9 years old, 4 feet, 100 pounds, brown hair, brown eyes, and Jenny Mendez, Hispanic male, 5 years old, 3 feet, 60 pounds, brown hair and brown eyes, wearing unknown clothing. Police are looking for Jacqueline Hernandez, 26 years old, Hispanic female, 5 feet 04 inches, 193 pounds, brown hair, brown eyes, wearing unknown clothing in connection with her abduction. The suspect is driving a gray 2013 Dodge Challenger with a chrome gas cover bearing Texas license plate number TGF1548. The suspect was last seen in Wilmer, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe these children to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Wilmer Police Department at 972-441-6565. News media point of contact is Wilmer Police Department at 972